COVID-19 pandemic is not going to stop people developing medical emergencies, and we all know well the emergencies can't wait. At Apollo Hospitals Bangalore, we have a robust protocols in place and all our staff are well trained on how to attend patients in our emergency department during this pandemic. The primary and secondary level screening process for all the patients coming to emergency and to the hospital has enabled us to differentiate between infected and non-infected patients and continue functioning during these challenging times, and also prevents the transmission of infection. We are receiving many medical emergencies like cardiac emergencies, neuro emergencies, pediatric emergencies, orthopedic emergencies and many more, and they're all getting treated well and being discharged safely home without any cross infections.
I had to admit my mother-in-law Shanta, who is around 8 years, for a hip fracture in Apollo Bannerghatta Road, Bangalore. And when we called the ambulance, it was just a swift service that it could reach pretty quickly, and then shift the patient and do the necessary pain management in the emergency, and all the necessary screening and that the COVID protocols, all those things were followed, which was quite satisfactory, so that everybody is safe. And also they took special care to get some of the special medicines for the pain management for the aged patient. And subsequently Dr. Raviraj and team, the orthopedic team, they took care of the surgery, and which went quite successfully, and then she is in the recovery path. And definitely a lot of credit goes to the nursing team and the housekeeping as well, who is keeping us very feel at home, and necessary help is being provided in spite of the situation around there. And thanks to Team Apollo for us to recovering so quickly, and then we are hoping to get home soon, and wishing everybody to stay safe and stay healthy.
Mrs. Shanta was a 79-year-old lady who had a fall at home, and she was not able to walk after the fall. We received this patient in the emergency department of our Apollo hospital, where she was diagnosed to have a hip fracture. Now, this was during this lockdown time, and this kind of fractures are an emergency, so we need to deal with these patients on an early and urgent basis. Once the patient is received in the emergency department of our Apollo hospital, the basic evaluation and stabilization of the patient is done in the emergency department. Now, during the stay of this patient, we take all the care to prevent any infection of this patient due to COVID. Now, pre-operatively, we do all the basic tests, and multiple specialists will look at the patient, including a physician, infectious disease specialist, anesthetist and a cardiologist. Once we get all the clearance from these specialists, then we take up this patient for a surgery. During the surgery, we take all the precautions, including personal protective equipment for the surgeon as well as the operation theatre staff, to prevent any infection and to make the surgery very safe both for the patient as well as for the surgical team. During the post-operative period, we isolate these patients and we take due care during their hospitalization to make sure that these patients do not get any infection during the hospitalization and treatment period. This patient did very well during the post-operative period, and on the second post-operative day she was able to walk after the surgery. These fractures become an emergency during the lockdown or COVID times, and with due care and with the involvement of multiple specialists, we can make these surgeries very safe for the patient at Apollo hospitals.
Patients attending to Apollo hospitals can attend with the confidence that all possible measures to prevent the cross-infection of COVID-19 are being taken. At the same time, serving our patrons with the best possible medical care, and even during the ongoing pandemic. Emergencies have not stopped, so we have not. The journey of saving life continues.